guys! For today's video, I'm going to test out yung new products ng BLK Cosmetics. So the first product is the BLK Day Cream. Ito, yung Airy Sunscreen with SPF 50. And dito ako pinaka-excited. We're going to test out the Life-Proof AIRY-SERUM Foundation. But you guys, aside from those products, eto super duper excited ako ipakita sa inyo. I have two kinds of lippies here. I saw them on Instagram and I was like, eto na siguro yung pinakamagandang lipstick na nakita ko. And pag nag-search kayo ng video about these products, yun din yung sasabihin nila, pinakamagandang lipstick na nakita nila. I mean, itsura-wise, packaging-wise, and everything. But I'm talking about yung CATKIN Cosmetics na lip product. I have two of their lipsticks. Look at that packaging, you guys. And medyo mabigat siya ha. So, shala siya dai. When you open it, look at that. Merong carving yung mismong lipstick. Engraving, carving. I have another shade here. This one is lighter. Diba? And then look at that design. Look at that packaging. Dai, I am so in love. CATKIN Cosmetics is a Chinese brand, pero it's vegan and then cruelty-free. So alam mo yun, plus points sa akin yun. I also got two liquid lipsticks. Ang ganda din ng hawakan day, oh. Super sophisticated looking. Like, so I'm so excited to use those. Alright, so let's start with the base. I'm going to use yung day cream. I did not get yung tinted. I got the sheer one. Kasi dai, ay, oh my god, pump pala siya. Kasi dai, medyo hindi ko napupusuan na isa lang yung shade nung tinted sunscreen. Kasi, sa sobrang komplikado ng range ng skin tones natin and undertone, I don't think one shade will fit everyone. Hindi pala siya day cream. Daydream. Airy sunscreen. Daydream, not day cream. Okay. I have it on na and it is just like a lotion, a moisturizer for the face. Ganun yung feel niya. I know that it's sheer, but I was hoping meron siyang sort of kinda, you know, a little bit brightening effect kahit papaano. Gaya halimbawa nung favorite ko from Hiii Glow Boost. Eto sheer siya. Wala siyang white cast. Pero somehow, alam mo yung ramdam mo meron siyang brightening effect. Etong sa BLK, eme lang. Anyway, let's go na sa foundation. How do I open this? Twist and then up. Okay. On this side, I want to use like my fingers. On this side, I want to use like a brush. I don't suggest using a beauty sponge kapag may salitang serum because the beauty sponge will just definitely absorb the products. I think I'm going to need a little bit more coverage, you guys. So, mag-add ako ng one more layer. So ang chika is it's airy, it's comfortable, breathable, correct in coverage, weightless, and dewy. It has dewy moisture. Buildable siya, siguro to maximum medium coverage, pero alam mo yun, sagad na yun. Huwag ka na mag third layer because I think it's gonna look sticky. Hindi siya matte, obviously. I don't know if it's because of the Daydream sunscreen that I put on. Meron siyang a little bit, just a teeny tiny bit, a little bit of blurring effect. Hindi siya like a dramatic blurring effect, pero may something. And I think Oat is a perfect shade for me. For my brows, I'm going to use itong sa Skincare Hub. My eyes, mag-eyeliner lang ako ng very, very quick. And then I'm going to get a creamy pencil na eyeshadow. This is from Etude House. And then I am just going to put it sa inner corners and dito sa ilalim. And then Vice Cosmetics and Clothes Super Mega Ultra Curl Mascara. I'm going to contour ng very, very quick. Not like hardcore contour. for my blush, meron akong BLK Cosmetics Creamy Cheek Paint. Okay, lip swatch muna tayong very quick, you guys. Gusto ko lang talaga ibida tong mga nag-getching kong new lip product.
So this is the CATKIN ROUGE Carving Lipstick. Meron siyang special formula to achieve yung matte finish pero hindi drying. Ang chika is it's lightweight, soft, high pigmented without compromising hydrating comfort. And then meron siyang vitamin E and other natural ingredients for smooth and soft lips. And this one naman is the CATKIN Sky Mirror Liquid Lip Gloss. Meron siyang subtle sheen pero non-sticky shine. And then meron siyang jojoba oil, vitamin E, olive oil, and natural botanic ingredient that brings out the beauty and nourish of your lips. Ganun.
So this is the CO4, and you guys, it is so gorgeous in person. It's really comfortable, easy to glide, and nag-iwan siya ng stain. Para siyang lip cream, lip jelly in one. I really like the formula, and yeah, so this is CO4. And then, nahirapan akong tanggalin siya. Nag-iwan siya ng stain. So I'm gonna have to cover it. Let's go with the CO6. So, etong CO6 is more on a burnt orange but subtle side, and I like this kapag nag-set na siya, pag nag-dry na siya, kasi it's like, it's gonna look like your lips were better. Etong mga lipstick na to, ang hindi ko pa na-try kasi ayoko sirain yung beautiful packaging, but you know, I really gotta show you guys. So, I have the shade CR129 and CO128. So pretty. So this is what CO128 looks like. It is orange, you guys. Not sure if you can see it clearly sa camera, pero hindi naman siya like neon orange. Pero parang sa camera, parang siyang mala neon orange. But no, in person, subtle orange naman siya. And yeah, I think it's good for every day. And your formula niya, it's different. Parang hindi siya creamy, like creamy. Well, it's easy to glide, it's easy to apply, it's pigmented. Pero parang siyang jelly creamy. God. Paano ko ba explain? It's like the liquid lipstick but in a bullet type form. Alam mo yun, hindi siya yung the usual creamy. May something eh. Basta jelly creamy, parang ganon. I like the red. It's the red for me. So anyway, guys, I do recommend you check out yung CATKIN Cosmetics. Go check out their website. I'm gonna link it down below. Doon ka pwedeng umorder because they deserve to be noticed kasi ang ganda ng packaging. I like the quality of the lip products so far. And pag-isipan ko kung mag-getching pa ako ng other products nila. But you can buy it like using your credit card or your debit card. And you can have it delivered right at your doorstep. So that's good. Anyway, so yeah, this is our look for today. And tingnan natin kung hanggang saan tayo dadalhin nitong Life-Proof AIRY-SERUM Foundation. I'm wearing yung CO4 ng CATKIN Cosmetics Liquid Lipstick. I can't get over it. It is so nice. Please. Hi. Hi.
Hindi ko pa okay. Tama ba? Itong itlog.
Sobrang init day. Oh my god, by the way, I just received an email from CATKIN Cosmetics. Apparently, they know na I am a content creator. So, nag-offer sila. Again, this is not sponsored whatsoever, but nag-offer sila ng discount code for you guys to use. I think it's BEA 10, so you can get 10% discount. I'm gonna put it here or at the description box, but yung link on where you can buy the CATKIN lip products. So, thank you so much, CATKIN, for the discount code for my followers and viewers. So, take advantage niyo dahil yung discount. Go, go, go. Hi guys! guys, it is already the next day and I'm here to give you my final thoughts about the BLK products. Hindi ako masyado nakapag-video yesterday because ang hirap mag-video pag meron kang hinahabol na toddler na 1-year-old. So unahin natin itong Daydream Airy Sunscreen. Kasi for the price na $4.99. Yung SPF 50, UVA, UVB, and then broad spectrum. Very good points yon when it comes to a sunscreen. I would recommend it depende on your lifestyle. Mamahalin talaga yung mga sunscreens, mga sunblocks, mga ganyan. If you're the type na araw-araw lumalabas, araw-araw na arawan and everything, this is a good product to use. Pero kung katulad kita, na work from home, and you barely go, ay my god, ilang buwan na ako hindi lumalabas, day. This is not my cup of tea. You know why? Because in my preference, ang gusto ko sa sunscreen is my brightening effect. Kahit pa paano, wala siyang brightening effect. It's just like, it's a very, very sheer moisturizer for me. And hindi ka naman kailangan ng bonggang-bonggang sunscreen sunblock. So, ang gusto ko talaga is, you know, the brightening effect of a sunscreen sunblock. Wala siya nun, so, for the price point, hindi siya sulit para sa akin. So, depende na sa'yo kung nasang ka banda doon. Okay? Pero for me, I won't buy it again. It's too expensive for my liking. It's too expensive for my preference. Itong Life-Proof AIRY-SERUM Foundation, I do not like this. Una sa lahat, $549. Medyo mahal siya. And then, I don't like na, ano tawag dito? It doesn't have much coverage. Okay, so I love the fact that it melts onto my skin. It melts on your skin flawlessly, seamlessly. Pero parang wala lang siya. Alam mo yun? Dahil sa sobrang seamless ng pag-melt niya on your skin, mukhang wala. I don't like the coverage. I know it's airy. I know it's serumy. But what's the point of calling it a foundation if it doesn't cover that much? Parang mas nakaka-cover pa itong BLK Skin Tint Sun Shield. Mas mararecommend ko pang getching ito kesa dito. Kasi ito, parang mas nako-cover pa niya yung gusto kong i-cover. Mas nako-correct pa niya. Color correcting pa niya yung na gusto ko i-correct niya. More than this one. So, eme lang to for me. Wala siyang masyadong magical effect. Wala siyang masyadong, alam mo yung gandara effect. Sakto lang siya. So, alam mo yun, for $549, para bigyan mo ko ng sakto lang. No. Mas, dito na lang ako. Dahil, dun sa BLK Skin Tint Sun Shield. Mas gusto ko pa yung itsura nito on my skin. Mas gusto ko pa yung coverage niya. Although, alam mo yun, hindi naman siya like super full coverage. Pero, mas may laban to kesa dito sa sa experience ko. Ikaw na ang tumimbang kung saan ka banda, if you like it or not, based on my experience. It's not a bad product, it's just not my cup of tea. Okay? So guys, kung meron kayong gusto mga ipa-review, go comment it down below. I'll try my best to get them and then review them for you. Okay? Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you in my next one. Bye-bye!